Welcome to Riverbed support channel. My name is Shubhankar and today we will see how to collect logs from Client Accelerator running on a Windows machine. Your Client Accelerator is located under System Tray. Go to the bottom right, click on the Riverbed icon. This is how your typical Client Accelerator GUI looks like. Here you can see the optimization status. You could see the connected controller and the connection status with your controller. You can also see how much data reduction is happening. And in the bottom, you can see the current connection report showing optimized and pass-through connections. All the logs related options are there under the support tab. If your issue is traffic related, click on generate TCP dump. This will give you an option for how long you want to run the TCP dump. Select the time in seconds or minute. Once selected, click OK. This will generate packet in background and it will collect the file in PCAP format. This will be stored locally on the appliance, and this will also upload the same file to your mobile controller. Once done, click OK. Similarly, to collect all the other logs and configuration file from the client, select Upload System Dump. This will collect the dump locally in the background and will also upload the same to the controller. So once you're done, click OK. And just in case you want to restart the optimization services, click on the Restart button. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for tuning in.